if you want to hide photos and videos on Redmi A7 Pro, then in that case we can go to the gallery. Now over here you should be able to choose whichever photo or video you want to hide. So let's say I'm just gonna choose this photo over here. You can tap on the photo or video in order to see these options in case they do not appear. And you can tap on these three dots that we have in the bottom right corner. Then you want to choose Add to Album. And in here you can choose Private Album. And confirm that you want to do that. There we go. And of course, if you want to, you can hide multiple photos and videos at once. So if you press and hold your finger, you can of course select a photo or video, and then you can keep selecting more stuff. After that, you can also choose Add to Album, and then you can choose Private Album in here. And there we go. Now, if you want to find those hidden photos and videos, if you want to open the private album, you can switch to the albums option over here at the bottom, and then you can swipe down in here. Now enter the screen lock password or use a fingerprint sensor in order to access the private album. Leave a like and subscribe.